Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit on Binance with almost no commission. So first I'll go ahead and launch the Binance app. So this is my home page, right? As you can see, I do have some crypto. So this is what I did, right? I came here at the bottom right, you click on assets, okay? Now, this is what you need to do. Come here, click on wallet at the top right. So this is my exchange. You can ignore this for now. Just come to wallet. So we're going to be using our Web3 wallet. So we're going to be buying directly to our Web3 wallet. Okay. So this is what you want to do. Just come here, click on add funds, right? And then you can choose different methods. You can choose to receive tokens from a Binance exchange, basically your spot and funding account. You can go ahead and receive tokens via an address or buy with card. So this is what I did. I bought with card. You can also use Apple Pay, Google Pay, depending on your region. Just click on buy with card. Now here you choose a network. I suggest you to go ahead and use the appropriate network for whatever you want to go ahead and buy. Let's say I want to buy USDT, right? I would most likely go ahead and use Tron. So that one I'll have to pay the least commissions on. So if I go ahead and use, for example, BNB chain, right? I'll be paying more in commission. And it will not be as fast anyways. It's not even cost effective, right, for that. So you want to decide what crypto you want to buy and use the network that's appropriate for that. In this case, I'll do Tron. Okay, so this is my wallet address. I'll click right here, right? So I'll go ahead and do that. So waiting right now. So here, so I want to receive USDT. Just enter the amount I want to go ahead and spend. Let's say I want to spend about this much, or let's add the amounts, add a few more zeros, so you'll see exactly how much USDT you'll receive for that amount. And then just come here and go ahead and pay with your Visa or MasterCard, right? Just need to enter your card details, your card number, expiration date, and CVV code, and you go ahead and make the purchase. Really that easy and simple. You just come here, click on continue, right? So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.